Now we are discussing about countries. In that today we are discussing about the country Spain, a country on Europe's Iberian Peninsula, includes 17 autonomous regions with diverse geography and cultures. Spain, I am discussing about Spain. Capital city Madrid. Spain capital city is Madrid. It is home to the Royal Palace and Prado Museum, housing works by European masters. Segovia has a medieval castle and an intact Roman aqueduct. Catalonia's capital, Barcelona, is defined by Antonius Gaudi's whimsical modernist landmarks like the Sagrada Familia Church. And next point is capital city of Spain is Madrid, and the dialing code is +34. That means those who are interested to talk with their friends and relatives in Spain, they should start in their mobile number +34 and then their mobile number, then it will go automatically. And the population is, Spain population is 4.73 crores as per the World Bank statistics in 2021. Official language is Spanish, and the continent is Europe and Africa. Both will be considered. Europe and Africa continent is. Next point is what Spain is famous. What Spain is famous for? Spain is known for its food, flamenco, music and dance, siesta, bullfights, horses, arts and literature, architecture, a Moorish heritage, its islands, Mediterranean beaches, wines, fruits and vegetables and football. Even though in olden days bullfights are most famous in Spain country, but nowadays for the time being it is very bad. The like a human being, that bulls will not have that much of knowledge and common sense, so we should not harm them. Likewise, so many in the Spain itself, so many people are against to the bullfights, but it is the personal opinion. So even though 50% of the population are against to the bullfights, but now so the demand and the play for bullfights is reducing day to day. It is a good phenomenon. And next point is Spain a third world country? Spain is a developed country, a secular parliamentary democracy and a constitutional monarchy with King Felipe VI as head of state. It is a high income country, an advanced economy with the world's 14th largest economy by nominal GDP and the 16th largest by PPP. Next point is what are the 5 things about Spain? Spain is the only European country to have physical border with an African country. Spain is the world's first global empire. Spanish is the world's second most spoken native language. Spain boasts the world's third largest number of UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Spain was also influential in Europe. And the next point is why do people love Spain? Because only by beautiful beaches. From undiscovered hidden cloves to popular tourist resorts, there is a beach for everyone, and with over 300 days of sunshine each year, you are guaranteed the weather to enjoy them. This beautiful country also has the most blue flag beaches in the world, so now you have no excuse. Now, next point is Spain a good place to live? Spain is one of the most popular expat destinations in Europe. Many expats are drawn in by the beautiful weather, laid back lifestyle, and spectacular beaches. Like any country, though living in Spain does come with a handful of drawbacks, still most experts would agree that the good by far outweighs the bad. And the next point is, what is the climate in Spain? In fact, Spain is the most climatically diverse country in Europe. For the most part, the climate is temperate with hot summers and cold winters inland and cloudy, mild summers and cool winters along the coast. What are the disadvantages of living in Spain? The heat can be a huge drawback because it is often so extreme that you can barely go outside during the hottest parts of the day, so you are limited to getting things done in the early morning or late at night. Next point is, what is the nicest city in Spain? Some of the most beautiful cities in Spain are Granada, San Sebastian, Malaga and Barcelona, Toledo, Sevilla, Salamanca, Bilbao. These are some of the must visit places to explore the beauty of the European country. This is the information regarding Spain. Wishing you all the best.